Hey everybody, Jeffrey Beck here. Just arrived at D-Mart's house, Dava Gym. We're going to be training back today. Unfortunately, as you can see behind me here, the pollution is pretty bad. You can hardly see the mountains right now. But of course, Salt Lake City is right now currently one of the highest polluted cities in the nation. So we may be crazy for training outside, but we're not stupid. So we're going to take the workout indoors today. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we are, the Blizzardy back workout, D-Mart.
Yes, Jay, back the Blizzardy back workout. Sadly, no blizzard because we're caught in the worst inversion since 1822.
Yeah, it seems that way. It's the worst in the nation right now.
Which is
Salt Lake City.
It's notable that we're at the top of the list, but what a list to be the top.
What an honor.
Yes. As each person, as their lungs are filled with sludge,
yes,
we're at the top of that list.
At any rate, we're still going to persevere. That's what us Utahns are all about, perseverance,
We're safe
hard work.
We're safe in the Dava Gym.
Yeah.
The nasty air can't get in.
Yes, so we're going to start with some T-bar rows. 4 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions.
Lost my mini chair.
All right, here we go. So we're going to grab the bar, we're going to load one end, place the other end against the wall. Going to grab it like so with both hands. Going to pull the weight up just like this until it comes to about chest level. Trying to pinch those shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Just like so. Keep that back straight.
Beautiful.
Yep, that feels good. Okay, just like that.
Nice.
Good job.
Boom!
Next exercise is the isolated reverse grip dumbbell
I
row.
can't hear you.
What?
I think give me a second.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for stopping the dryer for
Sorry,
us,
if you can't take the cold, go into the Dava Gym winter training facility, which is my laundry room.
Exactly.
So we're doing,
Yes.
what are we doing now, Jay Beck?
Let me repeat this. The isolated reverse grip dumbbell row.
On it.
4 sets, 10 reps. This is how you do it. Just going to lean forward like so. Pull the dumbbell up and down. Full extension on the way down. Just like so. This is great for the mid to, the middle back and the lower lats.
12 to 15.
10.
10.
That's it. 10 reps.
10 reps. That's all we're swinging.
Good. And then you're just going to switch sides here, just like so.
Boom. Keep that back flat.
Yep. And that's it.
That's all she wrote. He wrote. They wrote.
They wrote.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, D-Mart, what you doing, man? Get your head in the game.
We're in the laundry room. I'm trying to fold laundry in between sets. Never mind.
Whatever. Okay, well, the next one we're going to do is the reverse dumbbell fly.
All right, let's see what it looks like.
Okay, here we go. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Just like this. Come up till your arms are about parallel to the floor. Have a slight bend in the elbow. Pinch those shoulder blades together at the top. Just like this.
And mind the walls.
Yeah, don't hit the walls.
If you're in a small enclosed area like this, just mind your wall space.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
We're going to finish the workout off with 4 sets of 20 reps of plate rows. So just going to grab a weighted plate, hinge forward at the hips till your upper body's about parallel to the floor. Pull the weight straight up, keeping your elbows flared out to your side, just like this. Pinch the shoulder blades together at the top. This is a great burnout exercise for the upper and middle back.
Boom.
Okay, that's it, D-Mart.
It's good.
Nice work.
Nice work to you.
Thank you.
Gotta go organize some socks after we're done with this.